In this video, we're going to record sales in QuickBooks Online. If you want to follow along, I posted a link in the description to this company file. Just pause here and come back when you're ready. The first thing that you need to determine is whether this is a cash sale or a credit sale. A cash sale is when you receive payment at the time that you provide the product or service. This could be in the form of cash, check, credit or debit card purchase, Zelle, Venmo. A credit sale, on the other hand, is when you provide the product or service now and the customer is allowed to pay later. This is an important distinction because it will change the entry that you need to make. Let's start with a cash sale. We're going to click New, Sales Receipt. This will pull up the form that we need to fill out. Our customer, let's say it was Kate Whelan. Kate Whelan came in. We're going to say the sales receipt date was the 29th of January. Now we need to choose our payment method. So in this case, Kate paid with cash. You can enter a reference number here if you want to, and we're going to deposit this to undeposited funds, which is where we put money when we haven't put it into the bank yet. The product in this case is rocks, garden rocks. Kate bought 10 of them, and we gave her a good price of $12.50. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total. You can select whether or not she is subject to sales tax. In this case, she does need to pay sales tax. You'll notice here that it says the total is $125 and the amount received is $125. That is because it is cash sale. There's no balance due. And we just save and close. Now let's enter a credit sale. We're going to select New, Invoice. Let's say that Kate came back later that day and asked for assistance designing her rock garden. So we'll select Kate as our customer. She already has credit terms set up. So the terms are the amount of time that you're giving the customer to pay the invoice without it going past due and possibly incurring late charges. You can change those here. So we have different ones: due on receipt. Net 10 means 10 days. Net 30 is 30 days, and that was her default, so we're going to keep that. The invoice date was January 29th, so her due date is February 28th. In this case, the service is design. We'll select that, and we're going to say that it's going to take 5 hours of design at $75 an hour. And again, auto-calculated the balance due. Services are not taxable in California, so there is no tax added to that. And that's our credit sale. We can save and send, in which case it would email it to kate@whelan.com, or we can save and close. If we go and look at our reports, profit and loss, and narrow that down to just January 29th, we can see the sales here. $375 of design income, $125 of job materials, total income of $500. Please leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more bookkeeping content. See you next time. It's really funny how many takes it took to say pause the video without me pausing.